Hello, this is Gabe DBMX, and I'm doing an updated bike check 2011 on my premium bike because I got new parts. Yes, I did. So to start out with the front, I got a new Shadow Conspiracy bars, took off the stickers. I got a new Fly Bikes head stem. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's really light. It's just awesome. Again, the ODI grips. They're a little bit cleaner, but they're still dirty. They changed color now. They're like brown. Like, look at that, and then look at that. Kink lightest bar ends. They're sick. They're also really light, but yet they're metal. I got a new headset. It's a Verde. It's pretty nice. Federal peg, of course. Regular spokes. Animal rims. Front and back, they're also nice. Odyssey twister pedal, premium frame, G-Sport cranks, KCS, KCS chain, gold chain, stock sprocket, Federal seat post clamp. Yeah, I just canceled that order with my seat post clamp. I'm just gonna buy it at Ride. Integrated seat post with the seats, regular spokes in the back, Federal rim. Got new Primo head hub guards on the other side. That's about it. Oh yeah, profile bearings, also nice, and I have a dance comp stickers. And that's about it. As you can see, my bike is pretty awesome. Now it's solid too. I mean, listen to this. I mean, it is solid. Oh, and another big thing. Yes, I got my grip brake sticking off as I promised. You know, I promised it. You know, I gotta do it. Well, that's about it. Thanks, guys. Thanks. See ya.